Hello everybody and welcome to Super Catalyzer's video presentation episode 5. Today we're focusing on some more technical data. We would like to show you the good quality of our products and how it's easy and advantageous to have them. First of all, they have small dimensions so they can fit into any engines or boilers compartments or burners without any installation problems. Then, since no electrical connection is required, they comply with the magnetic field interference regulations. Another good reason is that they reduce fuel consumption, improve combustion, and extend engines and burners' lives. Lastly, thanks to their particular solidity and resistance, our super catalyzers, once installed, don't need maintenance and they're guaranteed for life. Okay, we've reached the end of our presentation. If you are still not convinced of the good quality of our products, we invite you to visit our website, where you will find many more details. In particular, we recommend the document 13 Good Reasons to Install a Super Catalyzer, from which this video was taken. Thank you for the attention.